Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to view your important emails first in your Gmail inbox. So of course what you have to do first is to go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail account, and once you have this page loaded over here, then you should be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do next is to refer to your upper right corner of the screen. It's over here, and you should just click the gear icon, which serves as your settings. So once you do that, then just scroll down once the overlay appears, and you just have to tick this button over here. So currently we are using the default inbox type, so let's try to click the important first option. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, only the important emails are shown. There are no promotions and the like. So important emails can be tagged using this icon. So if you want to add more, as you can see, there's the everything else part, so that means they are not tagged as important emails. So let's try to tag this one. So if you refresh, I apologize for that. So if you refresh, then you can see the email that I tagged as important earlier. So yes, there you go. I hope this tutorial helped you understand viewing the important emails first. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.